Welcome, my friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. It's a pleasure to be joining you across time and space. Sending you much love. If you're feeling stressed out, fed up with life, frustrated with some relationships, feeling insecurity, anxieties, anger, feeling misunderstood, feeling unseen, unheard, lonely, depressed, or perhaps even joyful. Know that you're not alone, that millions, if not billions of people around the globe can relate to whatsoever you're feeling in this moment. We're going to embrace whatever we're feeling by taking some deep breaths, looking inwards, or witnessing and welcoming the pain, the shame, the love, and everything in between. That being said, getting comfortable, getting in a nice posture where you can be upright, aware, becoming aware of your surroundings, aware of how you're sat. You can gently close your eyes, tuning deeper into the sound. Listening with your full body, opening the heart, letting go of past, and letting go of future. So you take a deep breath in, and exhale. Very good, my friend. Staying aware of your posture as you breathe in. And breathe out, letting go. Inhaling new life, new energy. Exhale, saying goodbye to the old energy, goodbye to the past. Dropping your shoulders, relaxing the belly, relaxing your face, the jaw, the lips, the forehead. Relaxing your hands and feet. With closed eyes, looking inside. Breathing in more love for yourself. Exhale, letting go of fears. Breathing in trust. Exhale, letting go of anxiety. Breathing in compassion. Exhale, letting go of pain. Breathing in joyfulness. Exhale, letting go of the inner critic. Breathing in peace. Exhale, letting go of the inner conflict. Coming back into the present moment. Coming back into your posture. Coming back to love. Love for life. The color for today is blue. The number is 2. And the animal is a toad. Becoming centered, becoming aware, taking a deep breath in. Hold. And exhale, letting go. Breathing in trust for the unfolding of life. Exhale, feeling all fear, all worries, leave the mind, leave the body. Relaxing the belly, relaxing your face, relaxing the mind, not minding the mind in all of its chatter. Coming into your heart space, feeling more love for who you are, for your path, for the unfolding of your life. I thank you for joining me today across time and space, sending you a big hug, wishing you an abundance of love, of resources, of creativity, of awareness, being present despite all of the mind's chatter, just letting go of those thoughts, coming back into the present moment. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.